Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this one I'll be showing you how to fix the water pump issue. So what would happen is you'd sort of switch on your wipers and the wipers will keep working but no water comes out. So yeah, this happened to me when it was freezing and my water was frozen. But yeah, so I thought it was a water pump issue, but actually in my case it was a fuse. So I'll show you where to find the fuse and what you need to replace it. Okay, so first thing is you just open your hood. Okay, so to open this you put in the screwdriver in here and you sort of just sort of push like that and it removes it. And then what you do is you can just simply lift this whole thing up. Okay, so the fuse here is fuse number 7. This is the one that I replaced, so I've already replaced that. I'm going to show you the old one in a second. There was a video online that I watched and the guy said it was fuse number 8. It's actually fuse number 7. Okay, you should, when you replace this, this fixed my problem. So anyways, let's place this back in. You place it from the back, you put it in the back, and then, hang on, you place it from the back properly, then just push and it clips. Okay, so now we're back in the car. Let me just show you the old fuse. So this was the old fuse, and it's not, I want it to focus, hang on. So I don't know if you can see, but the metal inside is not attached. You can see it's split inside, so this means that this fuse is broken. The metal should be sort of stuck together. I bought these from your car parts. They're called mini blade fuses, so they're not the big blade, they're the mini. Okay, that is important because I thought it was the normal ones, but they're not. And if you can see inside, you can see that the metal is actually attached to each other. Okay, whereas in the other one it's not attached. So this one is attached, and if I just show you again the other one, you can see it's split, it's not attached. Okay, so this fixed my problem. I hope it works for you guys, and I hope you find this video useful. I'll see you in the next one.